Xiaomi announced that it would unveil the Xiaomi 17T and Xiaomi 17T Pro on May 28, and Xiaomi 17T will launch in India on June 4, marking the T lineup's return to the Asian country after a long time. The 17T Pro will have dark blue, dark pink and black. The Pro variant may feature a metal frame. The Xiaomi 17T Pro will get a 6.83-inch OLED screen with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. It is said to be powered by the Dimensity 9500 SoC, include 12GB RAM with storage options of 256GB and 512GB. Feature a triple rear setup with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 32-megapixel camera for selfies. The 17T Pro could pack a 7000 mAh battery with 100W wired charging and up to 50W wireless charging. Xiaomi 17T Pro could be priced at €999. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.